Welcome back to my Bytnex video. I just noticed faster login process in Bytnex since after they completed their maintenance. Although my last video I did mention that it wasn't fast enough, that I didn't notice any changes after the maintenance. But yesterday stroke today, I noticed a faster login. Okay, so which means they have slightly improved on how long it's going to take you to log in. So we are going to try this just now in this video live. Okay, so let me go to my login page and let's log in and see how long it's going to take them to log me in. So I'm going to enter my password and my username here, which is my email address, and I'm going to click login. And then let's see how long it's going to take. I think it is less than 1 minute now, okay, compared to how it used to be like 2 minutes. There you go. So it's even 30 seconds that it took to log into my account now. So Bytnex have actually improved in the process of logging in, which is great. So the last update or the last maintenance which they have done has really helped, and we just hope and pray that this process stays longer, okay, which is the process of logging in, because some people are quite frustrated when they click to log in and it takes a bit of 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes to log in, but now it's just less than 30 seconds. So this is good news for everybody. But I just want to share something with you as well. This is the screenshot that I took before this last maintenance, okay? This very last maintenance, not the previous one. You will notice that I was earning just over $500, okay, on a daily basis. Remember, this is daily basis. This is not weekly, this is daily basis. So this screenshot was taken before the maintenance. Now, after the maintenance, I did notice that my daily profit has increased to almost $700. As you can see, last profit, yeah, you can see there, it says last profit is $692. So which means they have increased my pay. Now that could be different reasons, okay? One, for the automated compounding, okay, that is one of the contributor of that. Plus I purchased extra one contract because I used to have 21 contracts, so I purchased one more contract, making it 22 contracts. So that again bumped up my daily profit in this platform. And anybody purchasing more contracts will of course have their daily profit increased. The more contracts you purchase, the more profit you are going to be making. That is how it works. And not just the profit we are talking about here, we are also talking about the process of withdrawal and the people that have made withdrawals in the past. For example, this guy Venom, I'm not even talking about my own withdrawals because I've done about 3 withdrawals since I started in this platform, okay? And the rest of my money that I'm getting, which is my referral bonuses that I'm getting, I am actually giving it back to the community. Now, if you take a look at this screenshot, you will notice that people are saying that Bytnex is too risky, Bytnex is too risky. But Venom, okay, Venom DeFi got paid multiple times. This is the screenshot taken from his YouTube channel from his back office. Okay, now if you notice, you will see that it has been paid starting from 2024. Okay, so it has been paid starting from 2024. You can see the dates there, and up until 2025 it is still getting paid. All of this money that you are looking at is as a result of the way he is building his team, right? So he get rewarded for bringing people on board and showing people the business, and so therefore he will be able to withdraw those commissions as well. Okay, but remember, these are not contract payments. Okay, these are referral commission payments because his contract has not expired yet, and then when his contract expires, you guys will also see the withdrawal video or the screenshot that he's going to share. Now, that being said, I have done withdrawals in the past, and if you go to my YouTube channel, this is my YouTube channel, right? So go to my YouTube channel and I will show you how to get straight to my videos of withdrawals in Bytnex. So if you access my YouTube channel just now and then you go to where it says playlist, click on playlist, and then when you click on playlist, you will see that I have different playlists for Bytnex. Okay, so you will see the one that says Bytnex, and then you will see the one that says Bytnex/cryptex withdrawal videos. Okay, so if I click into that playlist, you will notice all my withdrawal videos, okay, and evidence of blockchain transactions as well. So these are all the withdrawal videos that I have done, including the ones I have shared, other member screenshots, okay, and my own live withdrawals as well, which I have done. Okay, so this platform is really good for people that are looking for, passive income, really, because what we are doing here is just starting this platform with just $100. Okay, as you can see from here, I said on my screenshot here, start today with only $105, and this $105 will be in either Bitcoin Cash or in Bitcoin, and you will be able to make this money that we are talking about. If you start with 105, you can choose any contract you want. For example, if I go into apply DeFi hybrid contract, it will open up and you will see that you have different contracts here. So you can choose the contract of 24 months for $100. This will give you $22,000 after the contract expires, which is in 2 years time. Okay, and then there is another 24 months type of contract which they are currently doing promo on, and that one is called DeFi Hybrid 24 pack. Okay, so anyone that says pack, that is the one that are doing promotion. So this one, you will start with just $1,000 and you will get 15 contracts. Instead of 10 contracts, they will give you 5 more contracts. So altogether, you are going to be getting 15 contracts. And this will give you $330,000 at the end of 2 years if you use 1,000. Okay, so in 2 years time. So you have the option to do that. You have the option to do other type of contract as well, which I am not going to tell you everything yet, but I just want to let you know that the platform is able to log you in faster than before. Okay, that is the purpose of this video, not to tell you about all the contracts, just to let you know that you can start this project with only $105. The reason why I'm saying $105 is because you have to put extra money on top of your $100 just to cover for fluctuations and blockchain transactions that may affect your transaction. So with that, you will be able to select your 24-month contract and you will get just one contract for that. And then at the end of your 2-year term, you will receive $22,000. So that alone is passive, 100% passive. So, and you get paid in Bitcoin anyway, so which is good. So if you are looking to grow your Bitcoin, this is the best time for you to do so. All right, guys, the link to join is below this video description. If you wish to join my team in Bytnex, you are more than welcome to do so. Otherwise, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless.